Hi friends, let me show you this new nut and bolt thread checker that I received for reviewing purposes. It has 15 different sizes for either metric or standard threads, okay? It's easy if you have a screw like this. You can just put it in the one that you think it is, in the one that it fits, and you know exactly the size, the thread of it, if it's a standard, if it's a metric. Also, your nuts and bolts, if you have one and you don't know exactly which one is, well, the one that fits is the one that corresponds to your size that you're looking for, okay? So, well, this is a must for any toolbox, for any tool room, for if you are a mechanic, if you work with cars, with any kind of equipment, and you need to identify the thread, if it's a metric, if it's a standard one, and you need to identify the thread, you can do it here, okay? So you can even get this out, okay? So that's it. Metric, standard, 15 sizes each, an easy way to know exactly what kind of nut or bolt you have, and you can use it in all your projects. A must for your toolbox. Thank you.